Hi, so welcome to one of our videos, another one of our videos. Just thought we'd share something quite interesting with you. It's a sort of a bag called GardenMate. They come in packs of 3 got this from Amazon. I think they're about $11.99 for 3. Basically, there you go, GardenMate. And what they are is for putting your plants in, roll them down, adjust them in height. We've got them spread around over there. You can put other bits in them. Got 2 handles, which is really handy. They're porous, so when it rains, like here, your plants don't get waterlogged. So you can use them for tubs, you can use them for putting your grass cuttings in. I mean, depending on how fashion conscious you are, you can go to Tesco's with it. So, how tall are they? You're being put a shrub in here. So, they are 16 inches tall, 40 centimetres. I did a diameter on this one, which is a little bit rounder. It's about the same again, 16. It's quite substantial. I thought I'd just bring this out to show you out. Quite tough. And to be honest, inside we've got one rolled down a little bit more to about there. We've got a blanket in it and we use it as a dog bed. The reason we use it as a dog bed, so it's just another use for it, is that you can stick them in a washing machine as well. They're absolutely brilliant. So if you're looking for something for the summer just for your plants, something lightweight, portable, and it's so easy to move around, GardenMate might be a solution.
How much were they?
$11.99 for 3. I think I've already said that, but
oh, okay.
You can see we've got some radishes. I think they're beetroot there. Some lettuce over there. Quite versatile. They're good because if you need to move them around, I mean, I've folded these down at the moment till these get bigger. So when they get bigger, I'll just unroll it and move it up. You can just literally drag it, which is really good. Makes life a lot easier. We've had gravel in these, sand in these, cement in these. We've had another Jack Russell in this, so it's quite handy to have. It's just a universal, quite. It's a strong bag.
Stitch is really good on it as well.
Yeah, look at the handles.
Really good stitch on it.
And the bottom, I think that's called, might be wrong, overlocking or over. Well, it's definitely not overclocking because that's computers, isn't it? Overlocking stitch. I think it is. They're like, it's like a felt, but it isn't. And even there, if you look, the stitching. But if we go back to the packaging, probably the reason it's so good.
German made.
Could they be? Oh yeah, Germany. Yeah.
I think it's German made.
Yeah, it must be if it's Germany.
Yeah, well, might be company just, but it's probably German made.
Yeah, German.
Oh look, free whatever that is, free grow bag, non-woven fabric.
Flansack.
60 litres or 16 gallons.
It's quite a bit.
So 60 litres is a fair.
Yeah, just
fair
really
amount.
good, useful thing for the garden, especially you know, with coronavirus and everything going on. This might be useful if you're looking for something, and in the winter.
If you're looking to buy these and you're wondering what they're like, then we hope this video
you can even stick in the wash after use. You can hose them down as well and rinse them out and just put them away, dry them, put them away for the winter, for next summer. I mean, they're really good. We've been using this for 2 or 3 years, so just thought we'd share this with you. Yeah. Anyway, I hope this helps you if you're looking for something for your garden, some sort of cheap tub, something you can put away in the winter and get out again. Thanks for watching.